Now, I'm going to tell you a story about a guy with very inconvenient luck when driving. His name is Sam, and yes, that's me. This guy is very inconvenient when it comes to driving. Let me see. Where do I start? So, when I'm driving, what likes to happen a lot is I'll come up, it'll be green, like the light, it will be green, green, green. As soon as I get to that point where it's just like I could either brake or I have to go like 100 miles an hour to go through the light, it turns yellow. And then it turns red really fast. Happens to me at almost every light. I would say like 99% of lights do that to me. I'm gonna show you the story of how this happens. So, very inconvenient, and it sucks. You guys don't know what it's like. I promise you, you don't know what it's like. It sucks. So, keep in mind that this happens to me very regularly. So you're just seeing like a little glimpse of it, alright?